Hi everyone, this is PJ from Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang latest compilation ng KD Lex. So I won't take any longer, I'm really excited to watch this. Actually, mga latest ito guys, and wait lang. Ang galing ni Alexa talaga pag mag-host. Sa totoo lang, ang galing talaga ni Alexa mag-host. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. Andito pala, ay, grabe si Katie. Grabe talaga si Katie. Andito pala si Katie sa reunion ng PBB. Hindi ko siya napansin. Andito pala si Katie. Ay, hello. Ay, tapos na. Ay,
He
ano to?
gave me an Apple Watch for my birthday.
Ay, takay.
I used to have an Apple Watch na talaga, di ba?
Okay.
Oh,
Oh.
yeehaw. I used to have an Apple Watch. And then I gave it to my dad.
Oh.
Kasi I felt like he needed to track his health.
Okay.
And I want to be his emergency contact. Kasi nalaman ko na sa Apple Watch daw, parang if you're wearing it and bumagsak ka, it's going to alert your emergency contacts. So, ewan ko, parang nagkaroon ako ng anxiety about my dad.
Ngayon ko lang ito
I
napanood.
wanted him to have an Apple Watch. So, I gave him mine.
Okay.
Tapos biglang na-realize ko na, kailangan ko rin pala ng Apple Watch.
Kailangan ko rin ng Apple.
Pero, because I need to track my steps and my sleep. So, I didn't wanna buy na kasi nga, kakapamigay ko lang ng Apple Watch ko. So, ayun, thankfully.
Grabe, kahit ang dami mo ng pera, no? I don't wanna buy na kasi kakapamigay ko na ng Apple Watch. Na parang it signifies na parang ang simple niya talagang tao. Ay, ano to? Includes was a special event sa Resorts World. Ay, last year pa to eh. 2022. Ay, napanood na
I
natin yan.
really want this kind.
Matagal na
What
yan.
made you fall in love with Alexa?
Fall in love with God.
Ay, fall in love.
I think with a girl like Alexa, she's such a great caretaker. She loves animals. She's very compassionate.
Okay.
She can cook din.
She can cook din.
She's very talented. She's given beautiful.
Pero ikwento mo the moment that was special for both of you.
I think the night before New Year's, or no, before
Ay,
Christmas.
alam mo, curious talaga ako kung ano nangyari dyan. Sa totoo lang.
Last year ba? No, not last year. 2021. Kasi 2021 kami noon.
Curious talaga ako sa ano nangyari dyan.
It was just a special night for both of us because, ayun nga, my family and her mom, they met and we also ate dinner. And we got to bond. I met her pets.
Curious talaga ako kung ano nangyari dun.
Pero niligawan mo ba siya?
Ay.
Well, it's given naman na nililigawan ko siya. Of
Given
course, I
naman.
think
Matagal na tong video na to,
it's
actually.
courtesy lang, especially na...
Pero hanggang ngayon nililigawan mo pa?
Ayan. Oo naman.
Oh.
Of course.
So hindi ba kayo formally together?
What you see is what you get.
I what you see is
Ano yun?
very Alden.
What
Very
you see is
Alden
what you get.
Richards
Well,
yun.
I would say
What
na
you see is what you
see
get.
us
I love that.
Hanging out, you see us happy, you see us bonding together with our families. If that's what
Grabe,
you
pero
want,
wait lang,
then
maitagdag ko lang. No? Grabe, ang blooming ni Alexa, yung sa PBB na nag siya, yung first light nila, tapos ang liit ng, parang grabe ang pagkapayat ni Alexa doon. Sobrang liit ng braso niya.
together.
Do you feel
Anyways,
pressured?
bakit wala bang mga latest video tayo? Ay, bakit kaya ganun, no? Alam mo, pag KDLX talagang sinesearch ko, mga lumang video yung lumalabas. Wala na bang may nag-i-edits masyado sa KDLX? Ito, tinan natin to. Feeling ko may mga bago to eh, yung KDLX Universe. Ay, ito oh. Francette being humble. Ay, KDLX to, di ba? Bakit may Francette siya? Ano to? Ay, ito. Oo, 2022 talaga yung lumalabas na mga movie, what do you call this? 2022 yung mga lumalabas na mga videos. Ay, baka may mga update siya dito. Kung ano. Kaya minsan hindi na ako nagawa ng reaction dito sa KDLX. Kasi, ang mga videos na napanood ko, parang luma na. Ay, wait lang, ito, bakit ito?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Ay,
There's something about your eyes.
ay, ilike ko to para lumabas sa feeds ko yung mga ano niya.
'Cause feelings are so hard to find. I know it's a little soon.
Iba talaga yung texture ng boses si
But
Alexa.
I'll go anywhere.
May kakaiba talagang texture.
Long as you're calling me.
Okay.
wanna think too much. Let's get matching tattoos.
Oh, what's the title of the song?
I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so
Bakit hindi ko to nakita?
in love with you.
God of love.
I'm so stupid in love.
Oh, love that.
Babe, I've been waiting for you all day. So lean
Oh.
my way.
Smooth.
Just take away all the pain.
Paka-smooth
I
nun.
know it's a bit soon for vows. Paper rings are good for now, but no, I'm already down the aisle. Cause I'm so stupid in love. Let's get married in Vegas. We don't need to get
Okay.
I don't wanna think too much. Let's get matching tattoos.
What's the title of this song again?
I'm so stupid in love. Book a flight to Paris, only one way. What you think about sharing our last name? Let's get straight to our toes. I don't wanna think it through, babe.
I'm so stupid in love.
Stupid in love with you.
I love the song.
I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you.
Okay. I'm so stupid in love. Ang title niyan is Stupid in Love, right?
Before we calm down, can we make it work, baby? Let's find out. Tell me right now. Before we calm down, can we make it work, baby? Let's find out. Let's get married in Vegas. We don't need a guest list. I don't wanna think too much.
Okay.
Matching tattoos. I don't wanna think it through, babe.
I'm so stupid in love. Stupid in love. Okay.
Think about sharing our last name. Let's get straight to our toes. I don't wanna think it through, baby.
I'm so stupid in love. Stupid in love. Hey.
I'm
So stupid in love. Stupid in love. Ang ganda. Gusto ko yung kanta. I'm so stupid in love. In fairness. Okay, last one tayo.
Samantala, sasabak sa kanilang
Ay.
unang concert sina Kim
Matatagal talaga na. Wala na talagang videos na latest. Sa totoo lang, bakit kaya? Bakit kaya hindi na siya, naka-shadow ban ba? I don't know. Anyways, there you go guys. That's our for today's video. Over Kid Deluxe compilation. This is KJ Vlogs. See you next. Bye.